Stephen Francis. Young sprinter Deandre Daley is looking to make good on the promise he showed at the high school level. And despite Jamaica producing some world-renowned coaches that have trained Olympic and World Championship stars, Daley has no doubt his high school coach can get him to the next level. Denise Walters tells us more.
Under the tutelage of Claude Grant at Herbert Morrison Technical, Deandre Daley became a household name in high school athletics. He was the boys' under-20 Carifta Games 100 meters champion in 2022 in Kingston, Jamaica. He was second in the boys' Class 1 100 meters final at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships in 2023, losing to national junior record holder Boaji Nkrumah, running a then personal best 10.14 behind Nkrumah's record of 9.99. Later that year, Daley lowered his PB to 10.08 at the National Stadium. In 2024, battling injuries, Daley repeated as sprint champion at the Milo Western Relays. However, he didn't make it out of the semi-finals at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships. But later that year, he'd go on to the World Under-20 Championships in Lima, Peru, anchoring Jamaica to gold in an impressive run after finishing fourth in the 100 meters final. Now, after high school, Daley ran sparingly in 2025. He won his season opener in 2026. But Daley says he's sticking with Grant as his coach, and he told TVJ Sports Grant has what it takes to get him to the next level.
He knows me more than anyone else. He knows how to get my body to perform and when to perform, as opposed to other coaches, because I have not worked with anybody yet, so I can only speak for my coach.
Daley ran a personal best of 6.65 seconds to win his 60 meters event at the Gibson McCook Relays a few weeks ago, and he says there were lessons learned transitioning from high school to the senior ranks.
Practice makes perfection, so you can never rush your progress, so take the time and do it one step at a time.
For this season, Daley has plans to go all the way.
Firstly, I want to finish the season healthy, probably run good amount of races on the circuit, and then possibly go for the Commonwealth Games.
The Commonwealth Games will take place in Glasgow, Scotland from July 23 to August 2, 2026. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.